Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our first video. We're going to be taking you through a follow along mobility routine and nothing too strenuous, just something to get the body moving. So great if you've been sitting down for a while, after a surf, you're feeling quite stiff. All you need is yourself, a little area like this perhaps with a mat or a carpet. Big shout out to Surf Senoritas and Portugal Surf School Grom Squad. Let's get it go. So to start, just standing up straight, touch your toes or as far as you can go, squat down as far as you can go, touch your toes again as far as you can go, and standing up. Then you're going to do the same thing again, but this time I want you to walk out with your hands, put your knee on the floor, bring one leg up and make some circles with that knee. We're going to do 5 each side, so swapping over. Put that leg back where it was, up on your hands, back into that start position. You can bend your knees when you're coming back up. So again, touching down to your toes as far as you can, into that squat, touch your toes, reaching forward, bring another leg up again. This time just rocking backwards and forwards onto the heel, onto the toes. Again, nice and easy, go deeper every time. 5 each side, swapping onto the right. Coming back up into that start position. This time, when you touch your toes, you squat down and you touch your toes. We're going to go off to the left hand side and off to the right hand side. From there, walking your hands forward again and putting your knees down on the ground. This time you are going to take an elbow and touch the opposite arm and bring it up as high as you can. And then same on the other side. Back up onto your toes and walking back into that start position. One more time, touching the toes. Twist to the left, twist to the right. Walking forward. You're going to bring one leg up. This time you're going to try and touch your elbow off the ground. So this one, you should feel a pretty big stretch on the adductors on the inside of the leg. Take it nice and easy, okay? Don't just force into this one. Work where your body will let you, basically. Same on the other side. Then we're going to go down on the ground, sitting down, coming up. Use your hands if you need to. And same on the other side. Back on your hands and knees. This time pressing up onto the toes. You're going to lift the opposite hand, the opposite foot. Bring it through, and you're going to reach up and over. Then you're going to lift the opposites again and back up in your little square, okay? Same on the other side, so lifting the opposites and reach up. Resting down the ground. Slowly going into cat-cow. Then going down the ground in shin box position and just reaching down 5 times and swapping over to the other side. When you're down here, you press into that bottom leg to bring you back up. And lastly, just swiveling the hips from left to right. And there you have it. Quick routine just to get the body moving. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear what you'd like to see next.